Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, hello, I'm Nicole Khumalo. I post a variety of different videos on my channel, so if you want to see any of those videos, you can just check out my other content. And if you like it, you can click on the little red subscribe button down below, and that'll send all my videos to your subscription page. And if you like it even more, you can click on the little gray bell next to it, and that'll ensure you get a specific notification every single time I post a new video. As you can tell by the title, today's video is the me tag. Someone asked me to do one of these a while back, and I told them that I didn't want to do it because I feel like I don't have enough subscribers to the point where they would care. But my subscriber base is growing and my fan bam is growing. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all the love and support. And I thought, why not? Why not do the me tag? So we're just going to get it really quickly. Okay, here's the one. This is the initial one that I got. So it's 50 questions. And I'm going to just dive right in. So the first question is my full name. My full name is Nicolekhumalo. I am Zulu. Okay, my zodiac sign is a Cancer. 3 fears: I am absolutely terrified of spiders. I'm not really comfortable in tight spaces. Like I'm like the slightest bit claustrophobic, and I really get like the worst anxiety when I have to do any like sort of public speaking or speeches and stuff like that. So I hate, well, a fear of mine is probably standing in front of a crowd and addressing the crowd. So that would be the third fear. 3 things that I love. I love cupcakes. I love, what else? I love Game of Thrones right now. No, I'm kidding. I love cupcakes. I love the ocean. I'm obsessed with the ocean. So cupcakes, the ocean, and music. I love listening to music, so we'll just go with that one. My best friend, her name's Hope. She's my best friend. The last song I listened to was, the last song that I listened to was Portugal the Man, Feel It Still, the original. But I love the Lido remix even more. Number 7, this is number 7. 4 turn-ons. Jeez. Eyes, smile, the way you dress, and your accent. Okay, so what color underwear am I wearing right now? I'm wearing gray colored underwear. How many tattoos or piercings do I have? I have no tattoos and just these standard 2 earring piercings. Why I joined YouTube? I joined YouTube because I love makeup and I wanted to post videos on how to do it because I had fallen in love with Lauren Curtis. So I thought that the market in South Africa was quite little because I really hadn't done my research. And then when I actually started getting into it, I noticed that it was bigger than I anticipated. Yeah, but I'm okay with it. So how I feel right now, I feel like I need to get through these questions fast because I'm literally losing light by the minute. But I feel okay. Something I really want, I really want a new camera. I asked for one for my birthday and Christmas gift combined. So hopefully I get that. My current relationship status is single. It's always been single. My cousin tells me it's because I'm so picky. But I don't feel like I'm picky. I just feel like I know what I want. And I really have not found it yet. So, my favorite movies. Well, I love Ella Enchanted. I love Deadpool. I love Cinderella. I love Safe Haven. I'm a well-rounded movie lover. Like, I can go from Cinderella to Deadpool. It's weird. I love Doctor Strange as well. My favorite songs, I love the Feel It Still song. I love Jasmine Thompson's Take Me Home remix from Jonas Blue. I love Emotions by Mariah Carey. Lost in Your Light by Dua Lipa. What else? Kalani, all of Kalani's songs, I love them. My favorite one is In My Feelings by Kalani. Please listen to it. I love it. And yeah, that's kind of what I like. My favorite bands, I love Imagine Dragons. I'm not really like band crazy, but I love Imagine Dragons. I love Coldplay. I love I love the Vamps as well. Yeah. 3 things that upset me. I hate it when people don't wash their hands. I think it's such a it's not that hard, because it within the radius of the business that you were doing in your toilet. So just wash your hands. I hate it when people don't wash their hands. I hate it when people yell. Like, I hate yelling. Driving. People that drive like nonsense. It really upsets me. 3 things that make me happy. I love hugs. Hugs, I legit die for hugs. And it has to be a good hug. Like, people can't hug these days. Like, I remember in high school, I used to get the best hugs in the world. Like, high school hugs were amazing. And now I'm in varsity and people can't hug. I swear, this one guy that hugs me like I'm about to crumble and break, and I hate it. And then there's this other guy that I absolutely love, and he hugs me like he's trying to touch my soul, and I love that. So hugs really make me happy. What else makes me happy? Like, hearing people's stories, like funny stories, that makes me happy. What else makes me happy? Going to a crafty shop like that. I love that. So it makes me happy to go to like a Westpac lifestyle. I'm always happy to go there. And what else? Going to the movies makes me happy. So yeah, stuff like that. What I find attractive in other people, their eyes, their smiles, their personality to a fault. I love how you answer some of the questions and you have one person specifically in mind, but let's not get into that. Someone I miss Nell, my best friend, like from day one. Like we were in diapers playing together. We took baths together, so I miss her. She stays in Coltonville, so someone I love my mom and my dad and my sisters and my brother. That's, yeah. My favorite holiday, Christmas. Probably because of the gifts. My closest friends. Okay, I'm gonna skip that one. Someone from YouTube that I date. I would date anyone from YouTube. If it's anyone from YouTube, I date William Singh. I date him. Definitely. So he can sing to me every day of my life. I would date him. A confession. Sometimes I wear the same pair of socks twice. That's a confession. 3 things that annoy me easily. If you can't clean up after yourself, like, that annoys me very quickly. I'm literally just asking you to look after the place in which you're sitting. Touching my stuff without my permission or asking for it, that annoys me extremely easily. I will see your hand reach and already I'm annoyed. So that's number 2. Number 3 would be, it kind of annoys me if people act strange and then they don't say anything about it, and then the next day they're just back to normal. Like, that annoys me a lot. My favorite animals, white tigers, and huskies. Dolphins, I'm obsessed with dolphins. And that's it. My pets, I don't have any pets. If I did, I'd probably have a husky. Something that's currently worrying me is the fact that it is 5:20 on the 29th of August, and I have a story to type out that's due tomorrow, and I've not even started. Like, have to do the whole thing, intro, building up to the climax, and then going down. Like I haven't even done a single bit. So that's currently worrying me. An embarrassing moment, in high school when we did phys ed, there was a time where they had this course set up, and then there were tires, and we had to kind of run, and we were in 2 teams. So we had to get through the course, and the team to get through the course fastest got the higher mark. So I was running on the tires, and I fell right on my ass. And yeah, that was embarrassing. Where I work, I don't work, I go to school. Something that's constantly on my mind, probably when I'm gonna get a boyfriend. That's probably constantly on my mind. Okay, you guys, so we've changed locations because the lighting in my room is really bad right now, and this has the best lighting. So I'm just gonna continue. My future goals: to reach 1 million subscribers, to collaborate with a lot of different YouTubers, to work with brands, to get sponsored, to get my degree, and eventually maybe even start my own business. That's all like big goals. And buying an apartment, buying my own car. So that's that. Something I fantasize about how it could be if we had that Cinderella stuff. My favorite stores, clothing wise, I love H&M. Their jeans are freaking phenomenal. So H&M, clothing wise. Swimwear, I like Donna swimwear. Woolies, love Woolies. The Fix has really amazing stuff. Random, like I love Westpac Lifestyle. They sell almost everything. I love Discount for cosmetics. I love Edgar's for cosmetics. See, there's just a lot of different ones. A confession: I have never had Chinese food in my entire life. I've never tasted it, and I've been to Hong Kong 3 times. Never tasted Chinese food. My favorite foods, like burgers and pizzas and stuff. I love sandwiches, like Caesar and chicken sandwiches. I love those. I love barbecue chicken wings. I love hot wings. Like there's so many. I love ice cream. Absolutely love ice cream. I think ice cream is like #1. Ice cream, cakes and stuff, like burgers and pizzas and stuff, and then the rest. What I did yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. No, today's Monday, right? No, today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. I went to school. So I went to varsity. And I came back home. When I got home, I edited a vlog that needs to go up this week. And yeah. Something I'm talented at. I think I'm really talented at drawing if I really get into it. It's a whole spiel. There's that. Makeup. I've heard I'm fairly talented with my makeup, so. My idea of a perfect date, a picnic where we'd sit and communicate and talk, and then going for a walk after the picnic. I feel like that would be the perfect date. My celebrity crushes. Oh, I love Matt Balmer. I love Kit Harington. John Hamm. I freaking love John Hamm. Number of kids I want. I want as many kids as I can financially support, in terms of giving them everything that they need abundantly and everything that they want that I think they deserve. So anything well deserved, I want to be able to give it to them, whether it be a car or whatever. As long as I'm financially okay, I want to have as many kids as possible. Do I smoke or drink? I don't smoke. I drink on occasion. So if it's like Christmas, we'll do a toast, or if it's like my birthday, we'll go out and have like a couple of shots, whatever. Last question is any question that I'd like. Last question that I would give myself is the kind of guy that I like. I gravitate towards I like white guys. That's what I've, in my life, I've always gravitated towards the white guy. I've always had a crush on the white guy, so I'm really into white guys. Blonde hair usually does it for me, but there are brunettes that are like, whew, hi. But blonde hair usually does it for me. Eyes, smile, but I've always liked white guys. It's just a thing. I don't know, but there are a handful of black guys that I really think are attractive too, so most of them are white. Okay, so it is 10 to 6. I think I'm done. That was the last question. And yeah, I really hope you got more about me. I feel like it wasn't deep, but it was like touch base, like, you know, tip of the iceberg kind of stuff. So that's it. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get a notification every single time I post a new video. You can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all 3 of those. You can also check me out on my new Facebook page, and I post all my content on there. So if you're on Facebook a lot and you want to see my content, just go like my page and it'll show up on your feed. Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.